Khobleye phibaro season 4 te mentang ini page yak niki post kibalaj hapo ka India Post Payment Bank Limited IPPB kabadai jong menta usnam arajar arpusan ka India Post Payment Bank Limited lane IPPB kalapenmi hadu usan phoi teliki post baro jong ki post circle base executive bad yak niki post laphe aru halaki jong ki state bat hapo Meghalaya ru kidon ki post kibalaj bat ngin siapa ya ki post kibalaj hapo gajela Meghalaya bat nakarpat ya phi ba pendape ya keneka video hadu bandakut kenang ba pen sautu company ha kabayadai bat ki post bat ngakarpat rid ya phi ba pen ailat kawai galaj kum kajingkersan kajong phi dengan pule kat kum ka notification balapan mi ka India Post Payment Bank Limited IPPB code application ya ki candidate ki balong eligible ya ki post circle based executive kabadai haka contractual basis tiki bayo ban apply ya ki post pat kadai tang ya ki tu ki candidate ki balapan dep ya ka graduate la kadai ka arts commerce bat sayan ki yo ban apply teka last date ban pedeng ya ki application lane ban submit kin pedeng hadu ka art poetrik banai mat arajar arpusan temen tangin ya page no ya ki post kadai circle based executive number of post hadu san poetli baro UR khat lightly EWS lightly OBC khat khandai SC khat R ST sautli padya ki post la phe ru halaki jong ki state ki bahap hapo kari India Chhattisgarh lightly Assam lightly Bihar lightly Gujarat dautli Haryana iway Jammu and Kashmir artli Lakshadweep iway Maharashtra lightly Goa iway Arunachal Pradesh lightly Manipur artli Meghalaya sautli Mizoram lightly Nagaland santli Tripura lightly Punjab iway Rajasthan iway Tamil Nadu artli Puducherry iway Uttar Pradesh iway Uttarakhand artli tena kabanta ki vacancy ki bahap hapo gajala Meghalaya pat kidai clearet iway post nongpo iway post nongston iway post tura iway post tekine kidai ki district ki bahap hapo gajala Meghalaya nang ta ka age limit pat yak ni post kadai arphuway hadu lai pusan snam bat kandon ru ka age relaxation sansnam yaki SC ST candidate baphiyo ban apply nang ta ka salary lane ka jingseu kadai lai phajar haka sibnai nang ta ka essential qualification part graduate in any discipline preference will be given to the candidates having domicile of the state applying for pidai man pendep ya ka graduate la kadai haka art sayan commerce phiyo ban apply bat ki khamsim bha ya ki candidate ki badai ki domicile jong ka state baphi apply tekumno baphin apply ya ki post India Post Payment Bank Limited interest candidate who fulfill the eligibility criteria may apply online on 1/3/2025 hadu 21 Banai balai arjar arpusan by visiting India Post Payment Bank Limited ki candidate ki badon sisa kamon bat ki balong eligible kila ban apply online da ka village ha ka website jong ka India Post Payment Bank Limited ka website kadai https://www.ippbonline.com bat haswa ba phin apply ki post bat pihaban register swa yalade hapo ka website bat pidai ruban kan mau ya password bat UID kenang ba kansuk ya phi hakapor bapi apply bat pin sulak in dauju kenang bakan khamsuk ya phi bat kin pedang jak application haki waipat te sakan mau kala state kadai hadu arfoitrik panai balai arajar arsan te ya kini ki post pat don't come exam ndrei kin supin mi merit list directly bat kin kenya ki mak jong phi ba phiyo haka graduate Tikitu kibah emak pat kinsa jakhot ke interview. Batia ka risol pat kinsa penmi hapo ka website. Te phila ban check hang ka website phila phi rong ne em. Nang ta ka application fee pat ya ki SC ST PWD kandidat kadai chis pa asan pho tingka. Badia ki wei pat kadai news pa asan pho tingka. Te tang kini kicing pentep ha ka bai dai bat kini ki post. Bat sa comment hapo ka comment section below. Lada pin su thu kublai sibon ngin se sempat.